one of, if not the most iconic spaceship in all of history, the Millennium Falcon. In my opinion, it's the best. It doesn't get any better than that. It's the Millennium Falcon 75375, 921 pieces. Wasn't that too bad of a Lego Millennium Falcon number 75375, 921 pieces. Again, it's one of my most favorite ships. I have a tattoo of it on my left arm. So yes, I am a fanboy. I love building this ship. I think if I had a chance to get the UCS version of this one, I would. It would be one of my all-time favorites to get. Besides maybe the Django USC. That one's also pretty neat. But the Millennium Falcon. I have a tattoo, I have the shoes, and I have endless Han Solos and Chewbacca's. I even have a Chewbacca hoodie. Thank you all for the likes, subscribes, and comments. They really mean the world to me. I hope to have 100 subscribers by the end of the year, but if not, that's okay. But once I do hit 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway for those 100 subscribers. It'll either be a small set that I get, or it'll be one of my minifigures that I have. So y'all be on the lookout once I hit 100 subscribers. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Thank you guys hanging out with me. Stay to the end to see how it's complete.